Hi friends, welcome to IBS IAS Academy YouTube channel. I am Ashok, Assistant Professor at IBS IAS Academy, and I have been training from UPSC aspirants since the past 4 years. In this YouTube channel, we will be covering all the issues important for UPSC Civil Services examination and also for the state public service examinations. Please do like, share, comment and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the current issues BrahMos. So the BrahMos is the only supersonic cruise missile in the world being developed by Russia and as well as with India. Right? So we will see why it is in the news. So the BrahMos is the surface to surface supersonic cruise missiles. The missiles can be classified based upon the technology they are using and based upon the launch, based upon the warhead they are carrying and based upon the range as well. So the missiles can be classified into different types. So here when you talk about the surface to surface missile, that means from one surface to the other surface, right? And there are surface to air missiles and air to air missiles and air to surface missiles. So these are the different classifications based upon how you are launching the vehicle or how you are launching the missile. And it is a supersonic cruise missile. So when you are talking about the supersonic, sonic means sound. Supersonic means the weapon which is actually traveling faster than the speed of the sound. So the BrahMos missile travels faster than the speed of the sound and it is the fastest missile in the entire world. So it is the supersonic missile and the cruise missile. So we have to understand what do you mean by cruise. So the missiles are classified into two different types, the ballistic missiles and the cruise missiles. The ballistic missiles are the ones which uses the principles of ballistics. That means they are the atmospheric re-entry vehicle like this. They will move into the atmosphere and finally they will re-enter. Atmospheric re-entry vehicles, these are called the ballistic missiles. And the cruise missiles are the ones which are called terrain hugging missiles. That means they will move into the atmosphere and depending upon the terrain they can be maneuvered any way we want. They can move in the way we want. So it is the cruise missile and they are the completely guided missiles and till we hit the target so we can control it and just before it hits the target you can divert the weapon. So that is the importance of the cruise missile. So the BrahMos is the surface to surface supersonic cruise missile featuring indigenous booster and airframe section along with the many other made in India subsystems was successfully test fired. Recently it has been test fired. The last month it has been successfully test fired, right, using all the indigenous technologies, right, using all the made in India technologies. And since the Modi has actually launched the Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-sufficient Bharat, so we are trying to make everything made in India rather than depending on the foreign technologies. So for that particular aspect, so we have testified the BrahMos with our indigenous technology. This way it has come in the news. So first we have to understand everything about the everything about this missile. So first we will understand the difference between the ballistic and the cruise missiles. As you can see, if this is the launch site, right, and this is the atmosphere, right. So how the ballistic missiles are going? The ballistic missiles are going into the space and they are re-entering the atmosphere. That's why they are called the re-entry vehicles. That's why they are called the re-entry vehicles. Right? That's why they are called the re-entry vehicles. Whereas the cruise missiles, the red color, right? The cruise missiles, they just move up and they travel at a very low altitude so that the radar cannot recognize them, the radar cannot detect them, and they can be maneuvered as per the terrain. If there is a hill or a valley, right? So depending upon that terrain, so a missile will maneuver accordingly. Right, and just before it hits the target, it can be diverted. It can be diverted. That is the importance of the cruise missile. They are completely guided missiles. Okay. The next one about the BrahMos. The few important points about the BrahMos which you have to focus very much because it can be asked in prelims and as well as in the mains. It is a joint venture between the DRDO and DRDO of India and NPOM of Russia. Right. The missile development program of Russia, and it is named after the two rivers, the BrahMos and the Moskva. It is named after two rivers, Brahmaputra of India and the Moskva river of Russia, and it is a supersonic missile, travels at a speed of Mach 2.8. So you have to remember Mach. The Mach is nothing but the unit to measure the speed, right? So 1 Mach is equal to speed of the light. 1 Mach is equal to speed of, sorry, not light, sound, right? And it is traveling at about 2.8 Mach. That means 3 times the speed of a sound. That means 3 times the speed of a sound. And BrahMos is a multi-platform. That is, it can be launched from air, land, and also sea. So it can be launched from all the 3 platforms, and multi-capability missile with pinpoint accuracy. So which is very important, right? It has really good accuracy, and it can launch both day and night irrespective of the weather condition, right? We have tested the missile in the stormy conditions, but still it has been successfully hit the target. So whichever the condition that may be, we can use the BrahMos missiles. It is a very reliable missile which is very fast and accurate, and it operates on the fire and forget principle. So when you are talking about the fire and forget principle, that means you can fire it, you can just hold on to a particular object and you can fire it, that's all. And it is its own responsibility to hit the target. You do not have to maneuver it to the target. So that is the fire and forget principle, or we have another term, right? Lock before launch. It is also called lock before launch. So we lock the target and we'll launch it and we'll forget. So you do not have to check whether it is actually moving or not, moving in that direction or not. So it is that accurate, right? And it is the world's fastest supersonic cruise missile in the world. World's fastest supersonic cruise missile in the world. There is no other supersonic cruise missile. It is the first of its kind, right? So, and the BrahMos variants, right? The BrahMos variants, we have the BrahMos A, right? That is to be launched from the air. It is the air version, right? The air launched version of the BrahMos, which will be launched using Su-30 MKI, right? Su-30 MKI aircraft, Su-30 MKI aircraft. So that is the BrahMos A. And recently, so as you can see, the range of the BrahMos missile was about 300 kilometers. That is the range. So it can hit the target which is about 300 kilometers away, right? But the range has been increased recently to 400 kilometers, and it has been successfully tested. It has been successfully tested with the incorporation of India in missile technology control regime, right? Because India has become a part of missile technology control regime. So advanced technologies for the development of the weapons and development of the scientific infrastructure of India can be progressed. So with that advancement, so India has developed a missile, the BrahMos missile, which is capable of hitting the target which is about 400 kilometers away, and now we have an upgraded version which is ready to be tested, which can hit the target about 500 kilometers, and we are trying to enhance the distance to 600 kilometers range, right? We are trying to enhance the distance to 600 kilometers range. That is the BrahMos, right? And the velocity is 2.8 Mach, right? So it is the supersonic cruise missile. There are 3 different types of missiles: subsonic, supersonic, and hypersonic, right? Subsonic, supersonic, hypersonic. Subsonic less than 1 Mach, supersonic greater than 1 Mach, 1 to 5 Mach, right? And hypersonic, it is greater than 5 Mach, right? So we are trying to develop another variant of BrahMos, which is hypersonic missile, as you can see. So this is the BrahMos 2. This is the BrahMos 2. We are trying to develop the hypersonic cruise missile, right? So BrahMos 2 or the BrahMos 2 or BrahMos Mark 2, whichever the variant that may be, is a hypersonic cruise missile currently under joint development by the Russia and DRDO of India, right? So recently it has been put on the indefinite hold, but once the agreements between the India and the Russia are progressed in the better way, then we will see the BrahMos 2 in a very short time, right? It is a supersonic cruise missile. So this is about the BrahMos, right? So what you have to focus is the features of the BrahMos for the prelims and also for the mains as well. Thank you. Please do like the video, and if you have any queries, please put down in the comments below, and we will be making videos on those areas.
and please click on the bell icon and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.